Hey there collectors, this is Sam from Collect All the Things. Today I'm back with another collector's item that we'll be unboxing. And it's the Marvel Cinematic Universe Phase 2 Limited Edition. So first off, about the length of the video. It's my longest video so far, mainly because there's just so much content in this set, and I want to just make sure I get all the details in the video. And I have included annotations down below in the description. If you're looking for something in particular, you can jump to it right there. Now this set has 6 movies, 13 discs, which it's 2 discs for each of the 6, one 3D Blu-ray and a regular Blu-ray. And then also you get a digital download code of all 6 movies, which that is actually stored in the bonus sleeve. Now while I'm unboxing this, I just want to talk about the Infinity Stones revealed so far. The first one was, of course, held within the Tesseract that we've seen in Captain America, the first Avenger, Thor, and the Avengers movie. And that the Tesseract actually houses the Space Stone. And last we saw it, Thor took it to Asgard at the end of Avengers. And then the next one is what we have here, the Orb, which was introduced in Guardians of the Galaxy, and it houses the Power Stone. And we see it last with the Nova Core at the end of Guardians of the Galaxy. Next is the Ether, which was in Thor: The Dark World. That actually houses the Reality Stone. And at the end of Dark World, it is actually left with the Collector. And then last is one that was recently revealed in Age of Ultron, which was housed in the Chitauri Scepter. And that is actually the Mind Stone, which we see the Vision use. So back to the unboxing. The movies are housed in the base, but we'll get more detailed look at those later. Now we have the Phase 2 Secret Files. Sokovia is a fictional country that is based in Europe. So this language here is Serbian Cyrillic, which I have no clue of the origins of that. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. And first thing we see is a coaster of the hieroglyph marks that Thor makes whenever he comes to Earth. And then next is a rubber Avenger logo. And actual Marvel Post-it notes. These are actually official Post-its. And I actually broke out my macro lens to do Antony justice. So please take a good look at this little killed in action. All that's left of Antony. Next we see Tony's name tag from Iron Man 3 with the Formula 2 Extremis on the back. And then a fake Mandarin tattoo. And a photo of Bucky to keep close to your heart. Another fake tattoo. And a name tag so you can attempt to infiltrate Baskin-Robbins. And then this awesome ID, so you can be in the system if you happen to look like Michael Pena. An iron-on patch of S.H.I.E.L.D.'s strike team, in case you want to cosplay as Crossbones. Now this postcard went over my head. I had no idea what it was, so I actually looked it up, and it's featured in Guardians of the Galaxy. It's actually worn by Berit, which we see Quill with at the beginning of the movie. And this, just, yes, I needed this. Now the Accords, you can check out Comic Book Cast 2. They have a pretty good video explaining the reference and an explanation of how this is significant to Civil War. So head over there and check out that video. I think it's very informative. here we have a cool transparent print of the 4 cosmic entities that actually created the stones. And then another print featuring the Dark Elves from Thor: The Dark World. And a not as flattering picture of Bucky. And last but not least, the paperclip that failed. Okay, so cracking open the orb. We got battery replacement instructions. Wait for it. Yes, batteries are included. Alright, so the movie sleeves actually feature art by Matt Ferguson. He's got beautiful, mind-blowing art. I'm so glad they featured this on the sleeves. I think that's one of the main reasons I purchased this set, was because normally sleeves don't compare to a steelbook, but his art on these sleeves were a must-have for me. So definitely check out his other art and prints over at graymatter.com. They're just beautiful and mind-blowing. I really recommend you check that out. Well, that's it for this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Also, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe, because I'll be unboxing more collector's items, figures, and other nerdy things. So until then, this is Sam with Collect All the Things. Bye.